Alright, to install Exodus, you're going to click on add-ons. Then you're going to go to install from repository. Then there's one on here that says TV add-ons. There it is. Down at the bottom, TV add-ons. Then you go to program add-ons. And then this one right here, add-on installer. You're going to click it, click install. It's already installed on this right here, but it'll say install right there. Once you have it installed, just click it back a bunch of times until you're back at the home menu. And then while add-ons is highlighted, click left and go to programs. Go to program add-ons. It'll be add-on installer. You can find it inside this featured add-ons folder. Right there, Exodus. Castaway is a live TV one that's that I installed on mine too. Works alright. But Exodus, that's the new Genesis. So go ahead and install that one.